Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new account to your Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zello app, and here it opens up in the context menu. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on options, and then we tap on accounts. Here we have the list of accounts that we are signed into. In the bottom right corner, we can tap on the plus icon and then tap on sign in to sign into one of our other accounts. Or we can sign up to create another account, or we can just tap on Zello work and use our company account. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.